Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the corals location to complete the coral quest in Fish game on Roblox Crystal Depths update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, we need to complete the coral quest and then we need to collect 30 corals. And if you want to find the corals, you just need to dive right here in the crystal depths. Okay, make sure that you use the advanced diving gear. Okay, and you can collect the corals right here guys. Okay, just tap on pick up. Okay, pick up the corals. And if you can't find the corals, it means that someone already picked up the coral. Okay, and I think I've already picked up all the corals here. If the corals are not here, you need to wait for several minutes and it will spawn again. Okay, and for the second location is here. Okay, just pick up the corals. Okay, and the corals will not move. I mean, they will not be placed randomly. So it's a fixed place, but yeah, if someone has already picked up the corals, you won't be able to find it. So you need to move to another server or you can wait until the corals spawn again. And okay guys, that's all about the corals location in Fish game on Roblox Crystal Depths update. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.